Hey everyone, welcome to Wealth is Health, where I share with you tips and tricks to live a healthy and happy life. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing morning drinks that will boost your energy, metabolism, immunity, and mood. These drinks are easy to make, delicious, and nutritious. So without further ado, let's get started. The first drink is a classic green smoothie. This is one of my favorite ways to start the day because it's packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. All you need is a blender, some spinach, kale, banana, apple, lemon juice, and water. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy, and enjoy your refreshing green smoothie. This drink will help you detoxify your body, improve your digestion, and give you a burst of energy. The second drink is a warm lemon water with honey. This is a simple but effective drink that you can make in just a few minutes. All you need is a glass of warm water, half a lemon, and a teaspoon of honey. Squeeze the lemon juice into the water, add the honey, and stir well. Drink this first thing in the morning before eating anything else. This drink will help you hydrate your body, balance your pH levels, boost your immunity, and soothe your throat. The third drink is a ginger turmeric tea. This is a spicy and aromatic drink that will warm you up and spice up your day. All you need is a saucepan, some water, ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and honey. Peel and chop the ginger and turmeric and add them to the water. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the tea, add some black pepper and honey, and enjoy your ginger turmeric tea. This drink will help you fight inflammation, improve your blood circulation, and enhance your brain function. The fourth drink is a berry oatmeal smoothie. This is a filling and satisfying drink that will keep you full until lunchtime. All you need is a blender, some oats, milk, yogurt, berries, and honey. Add the oats to the blender and blend until they turn into a fine powder. Then add the milk, yogurt, berries, and honey, and blend again until smooth and thick. Pour your berry oatmeal smoothie into a glass and enjoy your delicious breakfast. This drink will help you provide your body with protein, fiber, calcium, and antioxidants. The fifth and final drink is a coffee with coconut oil. This is a rich and creamy drink that will perk you up and make you feel good. All you need is a blender, some brewed coffee, coconut oil, and honey. Add the coffee, coconut oil, and honey to the blender and blend until frothy. Pour your coffee with coconut oil into a mug and enjoy your energizing drink. This drink will help you boost your metabolism, burn fat, and improve your mood. So, these are the 5 healthy morning drinks that I recommend you to try. They are all easy to make, tasty, and beneficial for your health. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!